Here at the Mann Center, you will discover what the Mann Center was like 40 years ago.
When was it built?
It was built in 1976.
And what are you here to see at the Mann Center?
I am here to see Cage the Elephant.
Is that one of your favorites?
Right.
Wait, what are your top 3 favorite groups?
The Beatles, Cheap Trick, and Cage the Elephant.
There you have it. And wait, do we have a special guest at this concert, you and me?
Sam.
Who's making a what kind of
Cameo.
Sam is making a cameo appearance.
Hello, everyone.
There it is. You looking forward to the show, Max?
Yes.
All right, we're off.
Hey, Dad.
What, Max?
Is Cage the Elephant playing now?
Next, they're playing.
Yeah.
He's his father's son. What are your favorite Cage the Elephant songs?
My favorite Cage the Elephant songs are Aberdeen, Take Me Down, 2024, Japanese Buffalo, Come a Little Closer, Telescope, and It's Just Forever.
Wow. That's good.
Thank you.
All right. So far, how are you liking the show?
Awesome!
It's an awesome show. How many stars are you giving it?
10.
10 stars. What's your favorite song so far?
My favorite song is Aberdeen.
Aberdeen so far is the favorite. What's coming up?
Cigarette Daydreams is coming up.
There you go. Max knows the whole set list.